In this video, I'll guide you through how to create interactive polls on Bluehost sites using the WordPress editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a simple, engaging poll to any page or post so your visitors can quickly share their opinions and feedback. Let's start inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the section where you manage your content. You can choose either an existing page or post or create a new one if you prefer. Open it up in the WordPress editor. This is the main editing screen where you add your text, images, and other content blocks. With the editor open, place your cursor where you want the poll to appear. It could be in the middle of an article, near the top of a landing page, or at the very end of a blog post to gather feedback. Now, look for the Add Block button, usually shown as a plus symbol. Click that plus icon to open the block inserter. In the search bar that appears, type the word poll. This helps you quickly filter through all the available blocks and find the one designed specifically for creating polls. If you see a poll block listed, go ahead and select it. The block will be inserted directly into your page or post at the location you chose. If you don't see a poll block available, don't worry. Now, on many standard Bluehost plans, the default setup might not include a built-in poll block. In that case, you can install a lightweight block plugin that adds this functionality. Popular options include tools like Opinion Camp or Crowd Signal. These plugins are designed to work smoothly with the block editor and focus on interactive elements like polls. To install one, open a new tab or return to your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins section. From there, choose the option to add a new plugin, then use the search field to look for the plugin name you want to use. Once you find it, install and activate it. After activation, return to your page or post in the editor, click the plus icon again, and search for poll one more time. You should now see a poll block provided by the plugin you just installed. With the poll block added to your content, you can now customize it. Click inside the block and start by typing the main question you want to ask your visitors. Keep the question clear and specific so people know exactly what they're voting on. For example, you might ask which type of content they prefer, what product feature matters most, or how satisfied they are with a particular service. Below the question, you'll see fields for the possible answers. Click on each option and replace the placeholder text with your own choices. Try to keep the options short and distinct from one another so it's easy for visitors to decide. You can usually add or remove answer choices depending on how many you need, so adjust until the poll reflects exactly what you want to measure. Take a moment to review the question and answers for clarity and spelling, then use the preview feature in WordPress to see how the poll looks on your page. When you're happy with it, save your changes and publish or update the page or post. Your interactive poll is now live on your Bluehost site, ready for visitors to engage with and share their opinions.